Man, we've got a really bad windstorm, and I guess it's like 55-mile-an-hour winds or gusts up to like 60 or something like that. And I don't know. I'm here. Gonna ride this thing out. Sorry, it's yeah. Seems like a good spot to ride it out, huh? I don't know who that is. I have to ask the previous owners. I just left it up. I think I'm gonna get an ice cream. So yeah, I just stay inside in bad weather. Oh, what do I do? I guess there's gonna be some snow or rain coming, maybe. So I guess I'll set this up here. See if this will work. Nope, guess not. Maybe this will. We ordered pizza. Oh, felt a tremor. I just had to jump on the bandwagon for the title, I guess. There's like a couple people have a similar title. I know Timmy Truckhouse Life just had one. Had like 1 million views. Foresty Forest had one just like it. I just like when people are like riding this shit out. It's like, stay inside. That I've been doing all day is staying inside. I might go to the gym though. I'll be honest, I've been trying to go to the gym all day. It's windy though. And that wind is cold. We'll get her done. Maybe I'll do some cleaning. Oh wait. I don't have all my cleaning supplies in here yet. They're still in the ambo. I guess it's just more hanging out. So anyway, guys, cheers. Hold on. That was a good rumble. I think I'm gonna turn on the heater. I had to turn on the heater. You do it with this right here, look. Heater on. Temperature set. We're golden. Life is rough, man. Willow hurt her foot yesterday. So I did spend the weekend in Lake Havasu. That's why I didn't put out a big video over the weekend. I didn't have it done. And I still have some more Skoolie Palooza footage, some walk-arounds and stuff. And we'll get that out soon. But it was Amanda's birthday. Her dog's got a birthday coming up. So kind of just like a celebratory, get out in the 80-degree sun, get a tan. Yeah, I'm brown, so I'm already tan. But anyway, guys, that's what I do when I ride out a storm. Woo! Okay, I forgot to tell you. Willow hurt her foot because she was trying to jump out and broke her toe off. So her quick is just exposed. So she's limping. More wind. And then the wind freaking blew off my Starlink and broke the satellite dish. It's like pulling teeth trying to get the freaking somebody to figure out how to order a spare one or whatever. So I'll let you guys know how that goes soon. Bye.